Welcome to my thatMuffinART channel. Drawing a beautiful flower involves attention to details and patience. Start by sketching the basic outline of the flower's petal lightly with the pencil. Then add more definitions to the petals by gradually darkening the lines and adding curves and shapes to mimic the natural flow of petals. Drawing is important for several reasons. First, it's a form of expression that allows us to communicate ideas, emotions, and stories. Second, it enhances observational skills by training us to see details, proportions, and relationships in the world around us more keenly. Additionally, drawing fosters creativity and imagination. Drawing is not just about creative portrait pictures, it's a fundamental skill that can be applied in numerous ways across various disciplines and industries. Here is a beautiful drawing of a flower. You may darkening the boundary of the floor. In art, drawing serves as the foundation for many other visual art forms such as painting, sculptures, and printmaking. In design fields like graphic design, industrial design, fashion design, and interior design, drawing is essential for beginners. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Even outside of professional contexts, drawing can be a valuable tool for personal expression. It encourages mindfulness, concentration, and patience, providing a meditative outline for self-expression. Overall, drawing is a versatile skill with countless applications, enriching both personal and professional lives in numerous ways. Thanks for watching this video.